Selling your home is a big step. A crucial part of this process is the home inspection. Buyers want to know the condition of the property. A home inspection provides an objective assessment. Navigating this stage with confidence is essential. Let's dive in and explore how to ace your home inspection. Preparing for a home inspection requires attention to detail. Start by addressing any known issues. Fix leaky faucets, repair cracks, and ensure appliances are in working order. A well-maintained home suggests you've taken care of the property. Gather all relevant documentation, clear clutter, and ensure easy access to all areas of the house. By taking these steps, you present your home in the best possible light. Home inspectors look for a wide range of issues, from minor to major. Common problems include roofing issues, such as missing shingles or leaks. Plumbing problems, such as leaky pipes or low water pressure, are also common findings. Electrical issues, such as outdated wiring or faulty outlets, are another area of concern. Inspectors also pay close attention to the heating and cooling system. Structural issues, such as foundation cracks or signs of water damage, are serious concerns. By being aware of these common issues, you can be better prepared for the inspection report. Section 4. Negotiating repairs. Finding common ground. Review the inspection report and negotiate necessary repairs. Approach negotiations calmly and collaboratively. Section 5. Transparency. Your key to a smooth sale. Transparency is paramount during the inspection phase. Be upfront about your home's condition to build trust. This leads to a smoother and faster selling process.